Today, we're diving into Arcads.ai, a tool that's gaining traction in the world of performance marketing and e-commerce. So if you're tired of the back and forth with content creators, struggling to produce enough video ads, or simply looking to cut costs while scaling your campaigns, then this review is for you. We'll cover what Arcads.ai is, its standout features, how it works, some real-world use cases, and whether it's worth adding to your toolkit or not. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So first things first, what is Arcads.ai? At its core, Arcads.ai is an AI-powered video generation platform. It transforms simple text prompts into fully realized video ads featuring AI actors. Here's the big idea. No more costly production crews, no waiting on creators, and no weeks of editing. Arcads.ai promises to deliver professional quality video ads in a matter of seconds, helping marketers, e-commerce businesses, and agencies streamline their workflows and scale their ad efforts. It's a game changer for anyone who's looking to produce ads efficiently, but how does it really perform? Well, let's break it down. So let's take a look at some of the key features of Arcads.ai. Number one is AI actors, a wide range of options to fit any brand. So one of the most impressive features of Arcads.ai is its extensive library of over 100 AI actors. These virtual actors span a broad spectrum of demographics, including age, gender, ethnicity, as well as tone, allowing you to create ads that feel tailored to your target audience. For instance, you can select a young and energetic spokesperson for trendy lifestyle products, or you could opt for a more mature and trustworthy personality for industries like, say, finance or healthcare. Arcads.ai takes customization a step further by letting you preview and adjust each actor's voice, tone, and delivery style. This ensures that your message resonates with your audience while maintaining a natural, engaging presentation. Need a friendly conversational tone or a professional, authoritative delivery? Well, the platform has options to match any brand's voice. For e-commerce brands, the ability to create relatable, authentic feeling characters is a huge advantage. With these actors, you can effortlessly craft testimonials, product demos, or educational content, all while maintaining a consistent brand image. 2. Editable scripts, the foundation of impactful ads. So crafting the perfect message is a breeze with Arcads.ai's script editing tools. Now, whether you're starting from scratch, transcribing existing content, or using one of the platform's pre-written templates, the intuitive editor makes it easy to create polished scripts that capture attention and drive action. Now, the real magic lies in the platform's AI-assisted suggestions. These tools help refine your copy for clarity, emotional impact, and audience engagement. For instance, if your script feels too wordy or lacks a strong call to action, Arcads.ai can provide actionable recommendations to improve it. For e-commerce brands, this feature is especially valuable. You can use Arcads.ai to create compelling product descriptions, promotional messaging, or even seasonal sale announcements. These scripts aren't just words, they're designed to convert. Paired with the right visuals and AI actors, your message will be hard to ignore. Now, additionally, Arcads.ai's scripts are highly editable, meaning that you can experiment with different tones and styles to see what resonates most with your audience. So whether you want a humorous, upbeat vibe or a more serious, professional approach, the platform gives you the flexibility to adapt. Feature number 3, bulk video creation. Scale your campaigns like never before. Scaling a campaign often means creating multiple ad variations to test different messages, visuals, as well as audiences. Traditionally, this would require significant time, money, and resources, but not with Arcads.ai. The platform's bulk video creation feature allows you to generate dozens of video variations in one go, saving you time and effort. Now, this feature's a goldmine for marketers and performance teams. Want to test different product highlights, calls to action, or audience-specific messaging? Simply input your variations into Arcads.ai, and the platform will handle the rest. The result is a collaboration of ready-to-use ads tailored to various segments of your audience. For example, an e-commerce brand launching a new product can create separate ads targeting different demographics. One for younger audiences highlighting trendy features, and other for older buyers emphasizing practicality. This feature empowers you to run comprehensive A/B testing campaigns at scale, helping you identify which ads perform best to maximize your ROI. Number 4, multi-platform integration. Seamlessly reach your audience. Your audience isn't confined to a single platform, and neither should your ads. Arcads.ai ensures that your content is optimized for major social media platforms and advertising channels, including Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. Each platform has unique requirements for video formats, lengths, and styles. Arcads.ai simplifies this process by automatically adjusting your videos to fit the specifications of each platform. So whether you need a 15-second TikTok ad to hook a younger audience or a 60-second YouTube video for an in-depth storytelling, the platform has you covered. So for e-commerce brands, this multi-platform capability means that you can seamlessly distribute your ads across various channels, ensuring maximum reach and engagement. Plus, the ability to repurpose content for different platforms saves you time and allows you to maintain consistency across your campaigns. Feature number 5, multilingual support. Speak to your global audience. Expanding into international markets has never been easier, thanks to Arcads.ai. The platform allows you to create video ads in various languages, helping you connect with audiences worldwide. This feature is perfect for brands looking to tap into new regions or cater to a diverse customer base. But it doesn't stop at translation. Arcads.ai also considers cultural nuances, ensuring that your message feels authentic and relevant to each audience. For example, an e-commerce brand targeting French-speaking markets can create ads with native French AI actors, enhancing relatability and trust. This feature is a significant advantage for brands running global campaigns, allowing them to maintain consistency while adapting to the preferences and expectations of different markets. It's a win-win for businesses aiming to expand their reach and resonate with international audiences. 6, post-generation customization. Fine-tune every detail. Even after generating a video, Arcads.ai gives you the tools to make further adjustments. Whether you want to tweak the script, modify the actor's tone, or enhance the visuals, the platform's post-generation customization tools ensure that you can achieve the perfect final product. This level of control is invaluable for businesses that demand precision in their messaging. For instance, if a generated video feels slightly off-brand or needs to align more closely with a specific campaign, these tools allow you to make the necessary refinements without starting from scratch. Why these features matter for e-commerce. For e-commerce brands, the combination of AI actors, editable scripts, bulk creation, multi-platform integration, and multilingual support makes Arcads.ai a one-stop shop for ad creation. These features empower businesses to create ads that are not only cost-effective, but also highly engaging and scalable. So whether you're launching a new product, running a holiday sale, or entering a new market, Arcads.ai equips you with the tools to execute campaigns with precision and efficiency. So how does Arcads.ai work? So using Arcads.ai is super straightforward. Here's a quick overview. Step 1, click the link down below in the description to get started with Arcads.ai. Clicking on the link down in the description will bring you to this page right here. All you need to do is click on Get Your First Video Ad Generated, and then go ahead and sign up. You can either sign up here with your Google account or an email address. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up with my email address and click Continue. Next, it's gonna ask you to verify your email, so go ahead and go to your inbox and click on the button there to verify your email. Next, it's just gonna ask you a few more questions. It's gonna ask for your first name, last name, your role, company name, company website, as well as the company size and the number of video creatives tested last month. So let's go ahead and fill this stuff out. Okay, after you go ahead and fill out that information, it's gonna ask you to get started with the type of product that you wanna create ads for. For this, we'll go ahead and just type in a basic baseball hat and click Continue. Then it's just gonna tell you a little bit about their AI actors, which you can go ahead and watch a quick little video on. For this example, we'll go ahead and just click forward. So once you're here, you can go ahead and preview some different AI actors. So as you can see, these are pretty compelling for AI avatars here. So you can go ahead and scroll through here and find one that looks good to you. As you can see, there are some here that are pro, meaning that you need to upgrade your account to be able to use those. They also have some different filters over here on the side. So you can go ahead and filters over here. For this, I'll go ahead and just select Thomas here and click Next. Next, all you need to do here is go ahead and type in your script. Again, we are selling baseball hats here. We'll just go ahead and write some basic little script here. All right, so I actually had ChatGPT write me out something really quick here. So we'll go ahead and just paste that in plan. And that's how easy it is to create an ad with Arcads.ai. We'll go ahead and click on generate videos here. Now, if you haven't already selected a plan, this is where you can go ahead and do so. And so they have 3 different plans here. They have the starter plan, the creator plan, and the pro plan. So on the starter plan, it's $100 per month, and you get 100 natural AI actors available in 35 language, delivered in 2 minutes, and each video plays up to 90 seconds. The creator plan, you get 100 natural AI actors, also available in 35 languages, delivered in 2 minutes and up to 90 seconds. But the difference is you get 20 videos every month versus 10 videos every month with the starter. Now, the pro plan is a little bit more customized plan, so you can go ahead and reach out to them to get more information there. But that's how easy it is to go ahead and use Arcads.ai to create ads for your e-commerce business. Use cases for e-commerce and UGC ads. Arcads.ai shines in e-commerce, UGC, and performance marketing. Here's how you can leverage it for your business. Number 1, product launch ads. If you got a new product that you're looking to sell, use Arcads.ai to create professional ads that highlight its features. Pair an AI actor with engaging visuals of your product in action, and you've got a high-quality ad ready for Facebook or Instagram. 2, user-generated style content. UGC style ads are a must for e-commerce brands. These ads feel authentic and relatable, helping you build trust with your audience. Arcads.ai allows you to replicate this style by using AI actors to deliver testimonials, reviews, or casual product demonstrations. 3, A/B testing at scale. Performance marketing is all about testing. With Arcads.ai, you can quickly generate multiple versions of the same ad, each with slight variations in tone, script, or actor to see which one resonates most with your audience. 4, localized campaigns. If you're running campaigns in multiple regions, Arcads.ai's multilingual support is a game changer. Create ads tailored to specific markets, complete with local languages and cultural nuances. 5, seasonal promotions. Are you running a holiday sale? Arcads.ai can help you generate festive, on-brand ads in minutes, ensuring that you never miss an opportunity to engage your audience during peak shopping seasons. Real-world results. What are users saying? Positive feedback, increased ROI. So users have reported significant improvements in ad performance when using Arcads.ai. One reviewer on Trustpilot mentioned doubling their ad profits by using Arcads.ai for their campaigns. Time and cost savings. Many users appreciate how much time and money that they're able to save compared to traditional video production. Customization. The extensive library of actors and editable scripts are frequently highlighted as major strengths. Now, some negative feedback. Customer support issues. Some people have reported delays in response times or difficulty managing subscriptions. Consistency concerns. A few users found that videos required extra refinement to meet their quality standards. Why e-commerce brands should care. So e-commerce is one of the most competitive spaces in digital marketing. To stand out, you need ads that are not only visually appealing, but also emotionally engaging. Arcads.ai simplifies this process by reducing costs. No more need to hire actors, rent studios, or spend hours on post-production. Speeding up production. You can create and launch campaigns faster, keeping up with the fast-paced e-commerce environment. Enabling personalization. Use AI actors to craft messages that feel personal and relatable to your audience. Ethical considerations with Arcads.ai. Now, it's worth noting that AI-generated content should always be used responsibly. If you're using AI actors, include a disclaimer to let viewers know. This will build trust and ensures compliance with advertising regulations, such as those set by the FTC. So if you want to get started with Arcads.ai, don't forget to click the link down below in the description to get started today. Final verdict, is Arcads.ai worth it? Arcads.ai is an innovative tool that has the potential to transform video ad creation, especially for e-commerce and performance marketers. Now, while it's not perfect, issues like limited emotional depth and occasional customer service complaints are worth noting, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. If you're looking to scale your campaigns, test new ideas, and save time and money, then Arcads.ai is definitely worth trying out. So if you want to get started with Arcads.ai, you'll find the link down below in the description. Now, this is an affiliate link, which means that we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel by allowing us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video from us. Here on this channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce, providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.